fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians. This is Capo Daniel, your civil liberty activist, coming today to you in the No Koni Talk Zone to talk about, to push forward specific values, principles within the struggle for the restoration of our statehood. Political experiment, talking about Scoop, the handshake between Scoop and the IG, and the creation of an organization or a platform to face French Cameroon in negotiation. As you know very well, Scoop is a strong force to reckon with, and an organization of Ayok Tabi loyalists. You have people like Mangang, which I admire so much, who have done a lot to help Seseko's leadership, as well as to move things on the ground for the struggle. And we, as in the spirit of unity, as we have always longed for unity, but we think that we should avoid political expediency, political experiment, where policies are driven by hatred, the need to isolate specific individuals and specific organizations, and for some leadership to feel supreme, or the ownership, monopoly, and exclusive right of political participation and patriotism, and being handed crumbs to those who lie under the table to pick up crumbs from the master table in order to feel the need of feeling of being belonging or participation in a prestigious organ for the pursuit of our revolution. A revolution is not a joke. A revolution have to be pursued to demonstrate to our adversary and to the world that we are a contender indeed, and that we have something to offer and we have something in exchange. It is not by appealing to the moral conscience of Paul Biya Vondo to demonstrate to him that you can put together a coalition that has proven a track record of being flexible to the idea and the identity of Camerooners, that somehow he is going to be sympathetic to come to the negotiation table. It is not by isolating the pure ultra-nationalists who have shown no flexibility or compromise in our pursuit or in our national identity. It is by forging together an inclusive unity. It's by resolving the root causes of our division that has manifested itself with the symptoms of infighting, blackmail, insult, vulgarity, brutality, backstabbing, outright lies. These problems will not be solved by the creation or the imaginary, endorsing or adopting to oneself imaginary power and projecting such power in order to show, demonstrate supremacy. No, to resolve this issue, for us to obtain real unity, we must resolve the root causes of our problem. We must resolve the challenge to the legitimacy of the interim government. Legitimacy is not created. Legitimacy comes from a well-founded legal procedure. The illegal, the unlawful dismantling of SCACUF and the transformation of SCACUF to the governing council is a legitimate cause of our infighting that must be resolved. There is no substitute, there is no shortcut to unity or to hard work. We must show good faith and political will to unite as one, because united we stand, divided we fall. We have seen things play again and again. We have seen the outcome of the interim government under Ayok Tabi, how as wise, as gentle as he is, you cannot predict things that are human, because there are just so many variables. To safeguard our struggle, to guarantee an effective effectuation of our independence, we need real unity. We need to reconstitute the constituent members of the SCACUF in order for us to be able to embrace new groups like Scoop and other groups that have emerged in this coffin revolution. But we must do it the right way. There is a wrong way to do even a wrong thing and a right way to do even a wrong thing. But in any case, we must have good faith and demonstrate real pursuit of unity in the restoration movement of the Southern Cameroon's independence. So, ladies and gentlemen, as much as we like the spirit of unity, we must call on our leaders to demonstrate patriotism and inclusiveness and resolve the root cause of our problems that has caused us all this infighting. I want to still repeat the appeal I did yesterday in my live show, which is something God has impressed in my heart in the scriptures of the Torah and the Old Testament in 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14, that says, if my people who are called by my name shall humble themselves and call upon me in heaven, I shall answer them and forgive their sins and heal their land. I will still appeal for our leaders to seek the face of the veterans of the struggle for a way forward and a united posture to face the New Deal government of French Cameroon in this struggle. There is that need for us to go back. And I will insist specifically to Godi Dinka that the leaders should go and seek the face of Godi Dinka on how we continue to prosecute this struggle, to support litigation and support people's initiative like that of Mekweli in the United Kingdom, and to pursue a continuance of the established legal pursuit of recognition of our sovereignty that was started by Godi Dinka in the High Court of Bamenda, the court in a High Court in Abuja, the establishment of a referral from the State Department of America to the ICJ for the contention of our sovereignty in the hands of La République du Cameroon. These things must be looked upon in a pragmatic manner. Let's stop talking over ourselves and talk to ourselves and forge a unity based on pragmatic approach to our restoration. Revolutions are not cheap. Winning are not cheap. It is not by appealing to Pobia moral conscience or appealing to the international community moral conscience that we can achieve anything. We have to be a contender. We have to have something at stake. We have to demonstrate that we are needed, not that we are wanted. So I will continue to make this appeal and continue to advocate for what we believe in and for specific principles and values that are necessary to safeguard a revolution that is collective. It's nothing like we have ever seen in the world. This is a collective revolution and it must be approached collectively. So once more, for everybody who is within the system, we are failed, let down by the Restoration Council that has failed to appoint and create an auditing board to audit the interim government, as well as to create an environment where people can be guaranteed of our resources being judiciously used. We must come together. We must come together at this crucial moment. Let's stop all the political expediency, the hatred-driven policies to undermine. Revolution is not about nation building. It's not about appointment. It's not about position. It's not about supremacy of one Southern Cameroonians over another. Nobody is more an Ambazonian or more patriotic more than another. Everybody's vision, everybody's position has to be respected. We need sanity. We need pragmatism above all. God only established people in righteousness. We need right way. We need the right way forward. Free of hatred, free of vile, free of the need to feel supreme, and handpick people who wants to feel belonging and enjoy the prestige of political power. You have to know very well that politics, power, prestige is more corruptible. It's more a corruption to the soul of man even than money itself. We have seen it with many people we have trusted, seen how they were. Once they are given positions or titles, they crumble down, and demonstrated that we are no different from the people of La République du Cameroon. But we can prove the contrary. Our leaders can demonstrate the contrary to give the people of Ambazonia, the people of Southern Cameroon, the unity that they need, the unity that they deserve, given the sacrifices they have made for this restoration quest. So thank you very much. We look forward to continue to work with all the various movements and the leaders and to assist the people of the Southern Cameroon to establish their aspiration legally and rightfully so. God bless you and have a wonderful day. May the struggle be short and may our independence and freedom be long. Keep it civil. Work with each other and attain a level of intellectual maturity to be displayed in the way you talk and the way you regard other people and the way you treat a fellow Ambazonian. God bless you.